Before starting your Gardena robotic lawnmower R40 Li, remove objects such as pine cones, children's toys, or smaller obstacles from the lawn. Turn the main switch on and place the mower in the charging station. Press the stop button and open the hatch and follow the startup wizard. If you prefer, you can just let your mower work with the standard factory settings, but we recommend that you make your personal choices according to the circumstances of your garden. Please read the Gardena manual for detailed menu information. At the beginning, set the cutting height to max. This will prevent the robotic lawnmower from cutting the wire. After a few days, you can start lowering the cutting height. Your new robotic lawnmower will start with a test of your installation. If installation has been done correctly, the robotic lawnmower will follow the guide wire all the way to the point where it's connected to the boundary wire. The cutting disc will start running and the mower will start to work. At any time, you can test that the mower finds its way to the charging station. Place the mower at the end of the guide wire, about 3 meters from it. Make sure the mower points toward the guide wire. Enter the menu and select Home. When you start the mower, it should follow the guide wire all the way back to the charging station and dock. Set the mower to auto mode. That is what you normally use. Watch the robotic lawnmower in action, especially how it keeps the desired distance to obstacles. You will normally need to adjust the wire in a few places.